Belgian farms.
We're doing
We're
a
about to
walk.
sow some seeds and plants and crops. We're hiking through the woods, the lovely woods in Assebroek. You're really lucky, Enias,
Yes.
to live in a beautiful, beautiful town.
I live 5 minutes away from here or something, and we're doing now a hike. And this is why I always want to come back here, because it's just nice, peaceful, no people, nature and grass and green.
Yeah, I had always read about the woods in novels. This is the first time I actually get to walk in one of these. Trees on end, which goes till infinity.
Yeah, because they always say Assebroek is one of the most green places, and we want to keep it green, so we are taking strikes if they want to build something. So we want to keep our greenery.
So I keep protesting in
Yeah.
case they want to be. And you can walk on kilometers on end and not find a single human, just nature. It's
And this is perfect for a morning run.
if you're feeling sad or if you're feeling down, look, a rabbit.
Two rabbits.
Two rabbits.
I don't know if you can see it.
Probably you viewers won't be able to see it, but we see them running in the background. But as I was saying, feeling down or depressed, you just come for a nice hike here, and boom, you're good to go. You're happy again. It's therapeutic.
And Diven is here in spring, but every season is different. So now there are lots of flowers, the green comes back, but if you come in autumn, everything will be red and orange and yellow. And if you come in winter, it will be snowy, white. So yeah, you can do it in all seasons once.
Yep. Soon.
Soon. Where are we?
We are somewhere in the woods and we found a stream of water and some ducks. Just taking in nature.
Yes.
Look at that.
It rains a lot these days, so it's a lot underwater because it's raining already. The Belgian people say 6 months. So they're actually hoping on better weather soon. But I feel it's very good to rain because of the water and the green and the farm life, and yeah, everything needs water, so it's positive. Duckies. Come, come, come. I know now. Oh, there the duckies go. I know exactly where we are. There is the
Castle.
castle. Let's go.
Let's go.
In this kind of weather, you need to check my shoes. They're the best. Me, I know the way. Because I'm living here from 5 years old, 6 years old. Yes. That's a long time to live here. With 4 years of traveling or something. Maybe longer. So we can go through this grass. There is a group of little duckies there. I don't know if you can see them.
Much closer to the locals' picnic here.
It's very wet here to picnic here. This is the ground, but I can show you our picnic ground. No, even here, there's always a little wet.
Ah, okay. It's a little swampy, marshy.
Yeah, it's like this ground doesn't sink in the water. Wait, where are the ducklings? Oh damn, we should have not come here. Do you want to jump on my back?
No,
It's
we
too
can
wet.
just go back because there's water everywhere.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's actually marshy land. It's water underneath. It's just the grass which has grown on. It's shallow water, but it's water.
So you should have gotten your boots on. Okay, let's take another route.
It's no problem. We have the road right here.
No shortcuts for us. Even here, it's all swampy. Ooh. I don't know where we're gonna get. Maybe in front of the church. And we can walk back to the back. Ta-da-da!
Ta-da! Castle.
Yes.
Let's go. It's sexy.
They renovated the place and it's a restaurant now. So you can come here and eat. We only did once. Eat some ice cream and we
yeah?
were...
Oh, I see it. Yeah, it's busy downstairs. I think that's,
Yes.
that's the restaurant.
I think it's a good spot for some for drinking, but we were not convinced about our ice cream. So yeah.
It's more about, having something at a castle.
Yes.
with
So that's
nature
why I
around.
say
Yeah, it's
you
more
get
about the
some beer.
experience.
you get some beer here. No. And then just because you have a very nice surrounding. And mostly we walk it, but you can also get here by car. I don't know how the people do it, but it's possible.
So freaking cozy in there, man. Ah.
It's a castle. Of course it's going to be a fancy coziness. This is it. This is where we were sitting. We were trying to get through that swamp, so we needed to go back. Da-da-da-da! Look how beautiful it is. Cannot see it from this corner, but if you go a little bit more this way, there is this typical step from the house.
Kind of architecture
Yes.
of the roofs, which is a very traditional way, right? A
Yes.
very old school way. Quite a few centuries back it dates to.
Yeah, you can see it in Bruges.
Yeah,
Lots.
very impressive.
And in Amsterdam we saw it. We saw it in all the cities. We see this one. So yeah. Now we walk back home for some nice dinner.
Last dinner of this trip.
What do you think it is?
It is going to be the classic beef stew.
I think it's gonna be lasagna.
Yeah?
Yes. Or moussaka. Because my dad said something about an oven.
But I know for sure there's tiramisu because it's already been revealed. I can't wait for it.
Yes. So yeah, we're going to go for our food. So yeah, and as we are speaking, the sun is getting lower and the colors are amazing. Look at this. Diven is going back to India and I'm staying. But now I will have the memories forever because he's coming back. And I can always picture him here walking with me because he was walking here with me.
Exactly. It'll be okay.
Yeah.
It'll be okay, my love.
Or I can just watch these videos.
Or you can just watch the videos. Yeah. It's a beautiful end. I love... this is what I wanted to do last. Walk through the woods one last time before I set foot on it again. This was what we did first. We went for a walk here. That's how we ended.
Oh, that's so cute.
Yeah.
How we started and how we end our trip.
Yeah.
Like that.
The quiche with eggs, cream, and leek, salmon, and also mushrooms, and a lot of spices.
It's a
Seafood.
quiche.
Seafood spices. Quiche Lorraine is the basic.
We first give to Diven.
Wow, look at that. Thank you so much.
It's the first time I make it like this. Because
Is it?
yeah, normally I do it with smoked salmon, and now it's with fresh salmon.
Tiramisu.
So these are the special.
The lange vingers.
Mostly are bought to make tiramisu. There's a sugar layer on it.
And this you dip into the coffee amaretto.
Yeah.
Amaretto.
Coffee amaretto.
Dip for maybe
Not long, because
10 seconds. Not
they
too
suck.
short either.
Yeah, they suck the coffee.
And then you put them, and then you put mascarpone with the sugar and stuff on top.
Ah,
And
okay.
chocolate.
Okay.
Well, there are two layers.
Right. Smakeluk.
Ching ching.
Ching ching.
Good, no?
Yeah, that's more than very good. It's one of the best tiramisus I've had. Probably the best.
Yes.
Thank you so much for everything. Right. Take care.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you too.
We'll see you soon,
Greetings
hopefully.
at your family. Also.
Yes. Of course.
Hey man.
Oh, very good. Thanks for taking care of me, feeding me.
It was a
place
pleasure.
to sleep.
It was
I really felt I found a new set of parents. I might steal them from you if you don't mind. But really, thank you so much for
We can
everything.
share them.
with love, with love.
Okay. All right.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Yes. See you all soon and take care. Yeah.
It's that
Flight
day.
to India. It's that day. It's been lovely. What can I say?
Yes.
Thank you, my monkey. I enjoyed meeting your friends and family. They made me feel so much at ease immediately. It was so smooth, so easy.
And I enjoyed you being here.
Yeah. And also that speaks to more about who you are as a person. Because, you know, the kind of friends you make speaks a lot about you. And your friends were so sweet. And I shouldn't have been surprised because you're the same.
Aww. Cutie. So now it's a final day in Belgium for Diven.
Yeah.
And then we separate and then we come back later.
Yeah. It'll be for much longer.
Yes, then it's forever.
Forever.
Yeah. I'm gonna buy some tickets. We are in the train station.
I'm going here and you're wrong. I like it.
This is the train. Diven will leave for
Before we see each other for a few months.
only
This
3
motherfucker. Oh, sorry. This.
3 months
Ah.
maximum. Minimum.
Yes. All right. One more kiss. See you soon.
My baby.